CTA stands for CT angiography. It's a test whereby you'll get a CT scan. It's a specialized CT scan. They use a special technique, and they use X-ray dye in order to map out basically your arterial system, pretty much defined to a specific aspect of the body. Like they'll have brain CTA, they'll have neck CTA, they've got cardiac CTA, they've got chest CTA, they've got leg CTA, they've got body abdominal renal artery CTA. So it's kind of a way to do a less invasive angiogram, basically. Angiograms can be kind of labor intensive and patient traumatic. In some episodes, you got to put a needle into their artery the old-fashioned way and inject dye into their arteries. This is kind of a more patient-friendly way to do a kind of a screening study to see if you need to go to the next level where you need a CTA in order to treat something. It's a less invasive way to do an angiogram, basically, is when you cut away all the window dressing. It's basically a less invasive way to do an angiogram, and it's easier on the patient, and it's easier to run more patients through, so you can diagnose more disease.